What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Swerve with another video. And damn, I haven't picked up this camera in a while to record a video, but y'all see what I'm in. Y'all see I'm in that thing right now. Hold on, let me cancel the focus. Y'all see I'm in that thing right now. But yeah, right now I'm about to go to the wrap shop. I'm about to look at some colors real quick, cause I will be getting my car wrapped very soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Like, what else? Damn, I gotta catch y'all up on a lot, bro. So I know in my POV video I said I had mirror caps coming in. The mirror caps still did not come in. They were ordered on March 21st, bro. What's today? It's June 7th. It is June 7th and I still don't have my fucking mirror caps, bro. So that's, I ain't gonna lie, that's why I've been slowing down on the content. I've been trying to look for that package because they said they shipped it. They said it was shipped, and now I'm just going back and forth with them. I don't think I'll ever order from them again. Yeah. Other than that, I haven't really been doing no stuff to my car. I just moved, as y'all can see in the last video that just came out. Yeah, I'm just getting settled in. And yeah, now we back on the car page stuff. And we're gonna try to do more like vlogs. Like, I wanna make this, I don't want to make this just a car channel. Like, I want y'all to get to know me. I see what I do every single day. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications if y'all new. And we about to head over to this wrap shop, look at a few colors, and hopefully we get something picked out today. I already have a color in mind, but we're gonna try to look for some more. So yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I'm at the shop.
When it's sold out, it says that it's sold out, or that it's out of stock, or discontinued, or something. So I think this is probably website.
I was also thinking about some other colors like orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I wanted to get real, probably creative with the color now, instead of just going with something kind of regular. I kind of like. This isn't gloss, is it?
Which one? They're
this
both
is gloss.
Are you looking for a gloss or more like a matte?
Gloss.
Gloss?
Yeah. I like this color here.
That one?
Yeah.
Let me take a look at it. That's one.
What are you jacking, Lee? I just told you.
He's not going to change his headlights. He's not going back to white headlights. He's going to keep the yellow DRLs. So I'm jacking, blue wrap, yellow DRLs, yellow calipers. Like, you might as well. What else is he going to put as his caliper? It's going to look crazy.
Okay, but look, this is what I was jacking. The orange and black is pain, but he would have to change his headlights. That's what I was saying. But I said, you go for the other, the blue, because the blue is not on the median.
I mean, but the blue's fake. The blue's not on the media for a reason, though, gang.
Nah, don't say that.
And I'm not saying it because blue is ass, but it's harder to match. Navy blue is fake, one of the hardest colors to match, bro, with other shit.
But look, it's Xander. That same color right there is the same one I sent you that looked like purple. So it's like a blue purple.
And the sample you just sent me does not look purple.
Nah, but that's the color I sent you to your iMessage. Click it and then look at it. Look at the wrap on cars.
That don't look like purple to me.
Look at the wrap on cars though. You gotta click it. They have pictures of it on the car.
I got that. Okay, so in the sunlight it looked different.
Yeah, in the sunlight it's fake like purple.
Oh my god, it's gonna look tough to DRLs. Word on mother.
That's what I'm saying.
Alright, but the calipers though, like.
That's the only issue I'm having.
Wait, so what's wrong with getting yellow calipers there?
I don't know, that just sounds nutted. Let me start looking shit up, right? Let me look up yellow calipers.
Yeah, yellow calipers, but like, bro, that's gonna be wavy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So do that then, bro. That's the move.
Yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm also,
You got the copper wrapper now?
yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm also getting my rims powder coated, gloss black.
What color?
Gloss black for now. Till I get new rims.
Black.
Why would I not get gloss black
I'm
rims?
not jacking gloss black.
So what color rim should I get?
Jacking chrome, gang.
I would buy new rims and get chrome.
Okay.
The powder coat is temporary. Like, I'm not keeping these rims.
Black and I don't know if they. Alright. Nah, you fake could run that.
Nigga, I could
was
100%
I
run
would go
it.
chrome with that color.
That if I go chrome or any color rim, I'm buying a new rim. This is just temporary. The powder coat is just a temporary change because I'm getting a new wrap. I don't want the bum ass silver shit I have.
Alright, that makes sense. Hold on, what does your rims even look like right now?
What do they look like? Oh, let me show you. Let me show you what they look like, man. I'm about to show you right now. Look. That's what my rims look like right now. I'm only paying a band. Whatever the wrap color is whatever I'm paying for my wrap.
You're not paying for them to install it.
Nah. Due to the BMW uppage for the roof. So yeah, after this is when it's like my next purchase. I gotta really lock in with a color for 4 packs or around that price. So yeah, I did just pay for my wrap. It should take about 3 to 4 days to come in. So wrap is on the way. So I'm gonna just wait till next week. We're gonna come back here. We're gonna get the car wrapped. I'm gonna get the car wrapped, powder coated rims, new caliper color. It's gonna be a whole different car by the time it's done. So yeah. Next thing I might see is when my shit focus on. Next thing I might see is when I'm back here dropping the car off. So yeah. See you guys next week. Yo, y'all think gotta tap in with this spot right here, y'all. This Salada spot. Yo, my mans put me onto this shit, bro. This shit is some pain. I can't lie. You can really put whatever you want on the salad. Why is my shit so zoomed in? Oh no. But yeah, I got fucking strawberries in here, chicken, shrimp, and a wrap. Like, I would have never thought this would taste good, but this is some pain, I can't lie. But, I'm about to go put some air pressure in my tires, bro. Like, look what my shit's saying. Look what my shit's saying. Focus. Look at this. 42, 41. Like, I might just have my shit's all even, so. I'm about to eat this in the car, actually. Then, yeah, now y'all gonna see me next week.
1 week later.
So I just got in my car. About to be on my way over there, and it's fucking raining. I checked the weather app, and there might be a fucking flood today. I mean, not a flood. Might be a storm today, which is causing a flood watch. Let it focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Causing a flood watch. And I have to drive an hour away, I'm pretty sure. And then I have to Uber an hour back. So, yeah. Bad timing. But I'm about to go, before I go over there, I'm about to head to this fucking tire shop. Check out some wheels, because I want to get some new wheels. But I'll probably end up ordering them, but I just want to see niggas' options. But Yeah, I'm gonna head over there. Then I'm gonna head to the wrap shop. And I'm gonna see y'all when I'm dropping off my baby. My baby, my demon. I'm getting a phone call, so I'm gonna catch y'all later. We just got to the spot.
Kroger's a big sweet too. But Kroger's is like a. It's been a while. It's been a fucking while.
I'm about to leave my car for like a week, bro. I'm sad. Look at this.
Did you talk something about with you earlier about the mirror caps?
Yeah.
Do you want them black or the same color of the car? Or?
Nah, I'm about to get new mirror caps to replace them with anyway, so you don't even have to touch that. Okay. Only thing I would want is the wrap, obviously, and probably redo the top black.
Change the wheel like black or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I told him
look better in black.
I'm powder coating the rims, changing the calipers color as well, and then
Yellow, I believe.
yeah, to match my DRL headlights. I'm gonna see you for a week, man. You gotta see it.
And also just for parlay purposes, right?
So because like it has already like you know the screws and everything.
Yeah.
It's gonna.
And then,
Fits better.
if possible, to wrap this black as well.
I believe
You can?
Yeah, it's gonna be like tint.
Yeah,
Like,
tint.
you know.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Not wrap, but tint. And then, I think that's it. Those are little details. I also seen some stuff online. I seen somebody had put like a reflective tape on these.
I don't know if we kept that, but like we can ask Uriel and let's see what we can do over here. It's like if not, I mean I'm not sure, but like I don't know if you want the same color on the Lewis first, like the paint, like the wrap color in the Lewis.
Yeah.
Because we could do that.
I would think, yeah.
Or just think it and let him know, like before.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. That's definitely an
Like,
option.
it's gonna be like a week and a half, something around. So you have like plenty time to think if you want something or not.
Yeah. Yeah, besides that, that's everything. Would I have to pick out a certain yellow that matches the DRLs, or is that something that you guys are just going to take care of?
You can like a key or something to see the lights.
Oh, yeah.
Cause like, it's usually like, you know. I'm gonna ask him about that. I'm gonna tell him to text you about like that. But like I'm not sure because like usually the yellow is something about like that yellow.
Oh, yeah, that would be fine.
If that's cool, yeah, it's gonna be something that color in the calipers.
Okay. So yeah, I'll be leaving this car here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Feel me? And yeah, next video gonna be a new car.